Hey guys, Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. It is Monday morning, it's raining. I'm in Washington Courthouse, Ohio to wash this pretty big building. We're gonna do a walk around here. I'll show you what all I'm going to be doing, but the main reason that I am sharing this video with you is because I just wanna reiterate the idea of getting noticed in the community, being the guy to wash in the community. And how you do that is by being on display at all times. I got this job, which is to wash this entire building, all the concrete, all these concrete hardscaped areas, and then I'll show you the dumpster pad and all that goes with that. I got this job because I loaned Jazzy out for a day for a local car wash fundraiser. Of course, I stayed on site, washed with him for a handful of hours, and then landed this huge job. It's a good one. We're going to do a walk around here in just a moment. Hey guys, it's Mike. It's time now for another free gift from The Fresh Rinse. Every pressure washing business needs a list of terms and conditions to send to every potential customer before ever agreeing to do any work for them at all. I call it my hassle preventer. Every list should include things like water usage, koi ponds, open windows, furniture removal, and so much more. When you text terms and conditions to the number below, I'm going to send you my very own list of 15 terms and conditions at no cost to you whatsoever, as my way of saying thank you for subscribing to my channel. This list of terms and conditions will be a great starter for you to build your own list of terms and conditions, or you might use it exactly as it is. Once again, thank you for subscribing. Now back to the video. All right, I'm back. Apologize for that. I keep getting delayed by the workers. I'm here early so that I can get the restaurant portion of this job done. Just want to show you what all this job consists of. Again, a lot of concrete work, but all in all, an easy wash. All of this will be soft washed, and of course, washing the concrete as well. And then I'm going to take care of all of this concrete area here, plus both of these buildings. It's a day's worth of work, but the nice lady at the restaurant told me lunch was on her, so I'm excited about that. All of this is going to make great before and after pictures, and really not that hard of a wash. All right, so as we circle the building here, let me just once again reiterate this idea that you and I are not in competition for work. We're in competition for attention. We are at an attention deficit every single day, and the idea is to get eyes on our work. We do that through getting eyes on our truck, on our uniform, on our flyers, on our Facebook ads, so forth and so on. This is going to make an amazing transformation, perfect for before and after pictures. I'll be putting those before and after pictures on local community sites, yard sale sites, yard sale pages on Facebook and the Nextdoor app. And I'll get lots of work from that. And really my main lead generator over the years has been those free Facebook groups. So let's tackle this area here, and I'm confident we're going to see major transformation.
Out in Ohio where the rents are fly, got a man named Mike, he's your wash guy. House wash, roof wash, driveway clean. Mike Carmody's king of pristine scenes. Got dirt, grime, mold you need to fight. Call up Mike, just do it right. He'll scrub it down, make it shine so bright. Fresh Rinse in town.
All right, so here's our final outcome. You can see where the original stain had this nice red tint to it, but wherever the sun really beat down and the customer's tract really has already worn up all of the stain, but came out great. We're gonna move around to the rest of the building.